Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C. Banu Mushtaq. Who has been awarded the highest honor of Barbados, Order of Freedom of Barbados in 2025? Correct answer is option A. Narendra Modi. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C. Nagaland. Which city has been officially declared as India's first UNESCO City of Literature? Correct answer is option D. Kozhikode. Which state is known as the Rice Bowl of India? Correct answer is option C. Andhra Pradesh. The Santhal tribes is primarily found in which of the following states? Correct answer option B. Jharkhand and Bihar. Who has the power to dissolve Lok Sabha? Right answer is option C. The President of India. Who was the first elected chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Correct answer is option B. Satchidanand Sinha. In which state is India's first white tiger breeding center was recently approved? Correct answer is option A. Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. Nuakhai festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option B. Orissa. Nanda Devi Peak is located in which state? Correct answer is option B. Uttarakhand. Who is the chairman of the National Integration Council? Correct answer is option D. The Prime Minister of India. Which of the following states shares the longest boundary with China? Correct answer is option B. Arunachal Pradesh. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within? Correct answer is option B. 6 months. Which country has hosted the Asian Games maximum number of times? Correct answer is option B. Thailand. Into how many zones has the Indian Railways been divided? Correct answer is option D. 19 zones. Who introduced the permanent settlement in India? Correct answer is option B. Lord Cornwallis. Who is the longest serving Minister of Indian Railways? Correct answer is option C. Jagjeevan Ram. The science dealing with the study of phenomena at very low temperatures is known as? Correct answer is option D. Cryogenics. Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which Indian state? Correct answer is option C. Orissa. Srimati Sharda Sinha was honored with the Padma Vibhushan for contributions in the field of arts. She belongs to which state? Correct answer is option B. Bihar. Manikbori Thermal Power Station is in which state? Correct answer is option B. Gujarat. Naveen Ramgoolam has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer option D. Mauritius. 102nd Amendment Act is related to? Correct answer is option B. National Commission for Backward Classes. Kathak is the classical dance form of which Indian state? Correct answer is option C. Uttar Pradesh. Where was India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated? Correct answer is option A. Patna, Bihar. Somnath Temple is located on the coast of which Indian state? Correct answer is option D. Gujarat. The Sarod player Ali Akbar Khan was related to? Correct answer is option D. Mehar Gharana. Ugadi festival is celebrated in which of the following states? Correct answer is option C. Karnataka. In which state is Brihadeshwara temple located? Correct answer is option C. Tamil Nadu. On which lake is India's first and only floating post office located? Correct answer is option A. Dal Lake, Srinagar. Which Indian state is officially declared as the first digital state of India? Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Which institution has published the Fiscal Health Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Who has been appointed as the Controller and Auditor General of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. Pascal is a unit of measuring. Correct answer is option C, pressure. Who was the chairman of the first Administrative Reforms Commission initially? Correct answer is option A, Morarji Desai. Natpa Jakri Hydel Power Project is located in which of the following states? Correct answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Which of the following is not included in the state known as Seven Sisters of the Northeast? Correct answer is option B, Sikkim. What is India's rank in the World's Press Freedom Index in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 151st. Which film has won the award for the Best Picture at the 97th Academy Awards 2025? Correct answer is option B, Anora. When did the Constituent Assembly adopted the national flag? Correct answer is option C, the 22nd of July 1947. The Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, was set up on the recommendations of which of the following committees? Correct answer is option D, Santhanam Committee. Who is known as the father of Green Revolution in India? Correct answer is option B, M.S. Swaminathan. The Losar festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Correct answer is option A, Chief Justice of India. Who will be awarded the 59th Jnanpith Award 2025 for the outstanding contribution to the Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C, Vinod Kumar Shukla. Where is India's longest railway tunnel being constructed? Correct answer is option C, Uttarakhand. Dokra art is mainly related to which state of India? Correct answer is option C, Chhattisgarh. Recently, Kanha Valley National Park has been included in UNESCO's World Heritage tentative list. In which state is it located? Correct answer is option D, Chhattisgarh. Achanta Sharath Kamal recently announced his retirement. He is associated with which sport? Right answer is option C, table tennis. India has revoked the Indus Waters Treaty after the Pahalgam terrorist attack. In which year treaty took place? Correct answer is option C, 1960. Which has been declared as the first biodiversity heritage site of Gujarat recently? Correct answer is option A, Gunri Inland Mangroves. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation was formed by which declaration? Correct answer is option B, Bangkok Declaration. The world's first 3D printed railway station has been built by which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Mondou Duplantis, who won the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year Award 2025, is associated with which sport? Correct answer is option B, pole vault. In which of the following states are the Nalamala Hills located? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Modhera Sun Temple in Gujarat was built during the reign of which dynasty? Correct answer is option B, Chalukya dynasty. Which state in India has become the first to adopt water budget? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. In which state is Malling National Park situated? Correct answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Sangrai is a folk dance of which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Tripura. who is known as the Missile Man of India? Correct answer is option A, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Kurja pottery is associated with which state of India? Correct answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. When was the PIN code system introduced in India? Correct answer is option C, 1972. Where is the headquarters of the Geological Survey of India located? Correct answer is option A, Kolkata. Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of. Correct answer is option A, Philippines. Shivasamudram waterfall is located on which river? Correct answer is option A, Kaveri River. Which one of the following rivers originates from Amarkantak? Correct answer is option A, Narmada River. When was the Southern Coast Railway established? Correct answer is option C, 2019. Which tiger reserve is India's first dark sky park? Correct answer is option B, Pench Tiger Reserve, Maharashtra. Which disease is caused by excessive cadmium in the body? Correct answer is option C, Itai. Which of the following football team won the Durand Cup 2024? Correct answer is option C, North East United. Which is the first state to provide insurance for disaster risk management? Correct answer is option B, Nagaland. In which year Project Crocodile was launched in India? Correct answer is option B, 1975. National Rice Research Institute is situated in which of the following? Correct answer is option C, Cuttack, Orissa. Which among the following is not a constitutional body? Correct answer is option C, NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. Who is the chairman of the Financial Stability and Development Council, FSDC? Correct answer is option B, the Finance Minister. When was the first election held in India? Right answer is option B, 1951-52. Which is the largest Indian state by area? Right answer option D, Rajasthan. Which is the first state to become 100% organic? Correct answer is option C, Sikkim. In which state of India is the Nongkrem dance festival celebrated? Correct answer is option D, Meghalaya. The Kalinga Award is given for contribution in the field of. Correct answer is option D, science. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who won the World Chess Championship 2024? Correct answer is option A, D. Gukesh. Recently, who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jatt. Who won the Indian Super League, ISL, 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Daniel Noboa has been re-elected as the president of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ecuador. Who has become the fastest Indian to score a century in the history of IPL? Correct answer is option A, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Who has been awarded Fiji's highest honor, Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madhusudan Sai. In which city is Indian Railways rail coach factory located? Correct answer is option D, Kapurthala, Punjab. Asia's largest desalination plant will be built in which state? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who was the first Indian to get the Nobel Prize in Economics? Correct answer, option B, Amartya Sen. The device used for measurements of temperatures exceeding 1500 degrees Celsius is? Correct answer is option B, radiation pyrometer. Thiriyattam is a ritualistic dance form of which state? Correct answer is option C, Kerala. Under which article of Indian Constitution Hindi is declared as the official language? Correct answer is option B, Article 343. Kumudini Lakhia, who passed away recently, was a renowned Kathak dancer. She was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in which year? Correct answer is option D, 2025. What is the main aim of the Kyoto Protocol? Correct answer is option C, to reduce greenhouse gases. The Corruption Perception Index is released by which of the following? Correct answer is option C, Transparency International. Which of the following is the largest landlocked country in the world? Correct answer is option C, Kazakhstan. The Radcliffe Line is a boundary between India and which country? Correct answer is option A, Pakistan. Which country will host the FIDE World Chess Cup Championship 2025? Share your answer in the comment section and also share how many answers did you get right out of 100. Thank you for watching.